Hi everyone. Can you see the moon? It's beautiful, isn't it? Pink in color. It's so peaceful. Wow. You know what happened this morning? I was, I actually woke up with, uh, you know, listening to the thunders of the sky. It was like sky was roaring and there was lightning and there was a beautiful rain in the morning. Since I came it was so hot in India, and now this morning the rain just cooled everything down. It looked like the rain was the tears of sky. So the emotions of sky touch us as rain, and when rain touches the earth, it gives a source of life to many plants and for all of us. So if Mother Nature has emotions, the expression of emotions are shown to us like thunderstorms, lightning, rain, tsunami, earthquake. So as humans, if anybody tell us we need to hide our emotions, please don't listen to them, because emotions are part of us. They are natural, and it's okay to cry. Sometimes we will not even know the reason why we get tears. There will be an emotional outburst, and it is absolutely okay. Tears don't make you weak, so don't think, if you're crying you're weak. It's okay, it's absolutely fine. And maybe they're helping you heal, so let the emotions freely flow like a rainfall. And I also would like to tell people, if you see someone is crying or someone is vulnerable, please don't judge them. Don't judge them, because we are all humans, and we are all supposed to respect our feelings, our emotions, and we need to be there for people when they need us. So don't try to use your stupid assumptions, and don't label people when they are when they are hurt or when they are crying or something. Don't see them as weak, because you're not God to judge them. First of all, we're all humans, and respect people's emotions, and It's okay to be vulnerable, and let people be the, you know, let them be in peace. Let them have those moments where they need someone to lean on. Be a friend, be good, be a human at least. That's all I can say. I'm doing this because I have seen people judging people when they're vulnerable, or when they're weak, or when they're crying, or people who show their emotions are not weak. They're very brave. They're very brave to just express what they're going through. So 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 look after people, be there for them, understand that these moments can come to anyone, anytime. Please take care.